And to be continued, I know that this is a provocation from this person that said this. But it's not your business to try to make somebody do things that they don't want to do. If somebody doesn't want to be happy-go-lucky and, go into a Buddha field and smile all the time in order to make other people happy, then they don't have to do that. And your job, when you go into any sort of interaction, especially when it's online, where it's entirely up to you to watch a video or not to watch a video, and decide whether or not you want to be around that interaction or not. And the whole point of this forum is to basically get people to understand that you can't use force in communication. You can't make a person feel a certain way. You don't have to force a person to feel a certain way. And it's only up to the person themselves to smile or not to smile. Asking people to smile is like a form of spiritual abuse, because basically it's asking them not to own their emotions, or it's asking to take possession of another person's emotions. It just bothers me. It bothers me that people don't understand very basic things. Like, if you don't want to be around a person that you think is depressing, or if you think is not on a high vibration, then don't be around them. Then don't comment on their videos. What is the point of that? You think you're gonna make the person change their vibrational frequency? It's not. That's not how it works. The worst thing you could do to a person that's going through this is to tell them to get over themselves. It's the worst thing that you could say. Because you don't have a right to tell anybody to get over their emotional state. Whatever it is. Whatever it is. Because you